I was about to cook like actual dinner before shooting this, but I guess this is now my dinner. Welcome to Flaky Biscuit. In today's episode, I had the pleasure of having Frankie Gaw on, and it was absolutely spectacular to have my friend here in my kitchen making his most nostalgic meal. This show is about nostalgia. If these two things were not part of your childhood, I don't know if we could be friends.
The one in the blue box, cause it's the cheesiest. Kraft cheese and macaroni.
I got the blues.
Frankie's most nostalgic meal was an interesting one. It's actually, he loved Kraft Mac and Cheese, but he loved to make it with the ramen noodles, all right? And I'm gonna tell you something. You probably expected in this recipe, like, oh, we're gonna make ramen noodles from scratch, da-da-da. I'm like, listen, nah. We're actually gonna try to recreate the cheese sauce from mac and cheese, all right? We're gonna dehydrate some cheese, try to recreate the sauce. I'm not gonna make artisanal ramen noodles to then cover them in a synthetic sauce. Come on. If I'm gonna make the ramen noodles from scratch, we gonna make some, you know what I'm talking about, some broth and some, you know, we gonna Ivan Orkin it, you know what I'm saying? So we doing it, we gonna make some cheese sauce. I'm gonna show you how to dehydrate the cheese, and we gonna make Frankie's nostalgic meal, so let's get with it. All right, so first of all, let's talk about this cheese sauce. We're trying to recreate it, okay? Ingredients. Lactic acid, citric acid, sodium phosphate, calcium phosphate with paprika, turmeric, and annatto added for color, enzymes, and cheese culture. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, the paprika, you already know I'm putting paprika in the cheese sauce, all right? So that's the base. How do I make a cheese powder? I'm gonna dehydrate some cheese. I'm gonna dehydrate cheddar cheese and some American singles, all right? Got my dehydrator here, plopped some slices of the cheeses on there last night. It's been about 12 hours. Come take a peek. Ooh! We've got this. Oh, it's crisp and crunching. Look at that. Ooh, this kind of nasty looking. Look at all the oil down from the cheese. Here we have our hardened cheddar sticks. That's good. It's like little cheese chips. Now we'll take a look at our American singles. They've taken on this kind of like vomit yellow. This is fake. This is not real. It's not real food. So when you dehydrate it, like some crazy shit's gonna happen to it, all right? Look at the color. I don't think I'm gonna take... Yeah. But anyway, so we're gonna make our cheese sauce now, all right? Boom. Look at that. All this cheddar crust. My countertops are clean, don't worry. So I'm trying to recreate Kraft Mac and Cheese powder sauce to make the nostalgic dish for Frankie, where I am going to also boil these ramen noodles, all right? And this cheese sauce will coat those noodles, and you will not judge either of us, all right? Yeah, go check out the episode because Frankie is an amazing person. His book just came out, First Generation. It's right here, actually, and it always has been. If you go check every single video we've made, this book has always been on my counter because it's a beautiful book, and this is, hey, this is come from the heart. This come from the heart, all right? So don't play with us. Boom. This is wild. So we're going in, boom. Where's my turmeric at? I'm about to say, if your kitchen ain't got no turmeric, boy, you fake. I'm gonna tell you that shit right now. If you ain't got paprika, turmeric, cayenne pepper on deck, you fake. I'm gonna put a little seasoning in there. All right, now we're gonna blitz it. Where's the extension cord? Gotta plug in my equipment. All right, let's drop the noodles. Water's boiled, boom, dropping in, nice and easy. Ramen noodles here. Gonna add a little butter to our pan here. This is straight out of college. The noodles are steaming. All right, adding them in, a little bit of milk. And of course, our cheese dust. All right, now we're gonna coat our noodles here. That looks really delicious. That looks creamy. I'm about to put, hey, I'm gonna tell you, this looks really good. Let's plate it up. You know, Italian pasta plate. Yes. That looks phenomenal. Here we are with Frankie's most nostalgic meal. This ramen with the homemade cheese sauce, dehydrated cheese. Let's dig into it, see how it tastes. Homemade mac and cheese sauce with all the fixings. I guess the turmeric really does give it that color, huh? That kind of neon type. It's game over. This is phenomenal. Man, recipe is on Shondaland.com. Don't forget to check out the episode with Frankie on the Flaky Biscuit podcast. It's your boy. I'm gonna have my moment, and I'm out.